Oh, that'll do. Check. Off to the other side. Just going to scrape the top stuff off of this. Don't spray the cab full blast, boys. That's it. It's all washed. So we'll get it down to the workshop and do what we need to do. Ciao.
Want to master heavy machinery? If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and follow the page. We're diving deep into essential construction skills, pro operating tips, and everything you need to know about heavy equipment. Don't miss out on your next lesson. Tap follow to join the community and build your skills with us.